are the key beneficial of this module, and who are having accessibility in this module. So generally, let's log in first of all under the modules. We are having this whole module in the software. Now we go to the dashboard window. Here we are getting the key information of running hospital live update in various departments and the usage statistics. For example, we can observe how many number of patients are received in our hospital and respective number from collection and the currency wise, IPD admission and the number of patient and collection of the bed charges collection. Similarly, laboratory patient quantity and respective collection, radiology patient quantity collection, pharmacy departments patient quantity, billing collection. These are the way we can observe this collection real-time information. If we want to go through in respective modules, we can these all icons are realistic real-time dynamic. So if you click in the module, so you get the respective patient list as well as in the respective permission based access. Along with you can access the hospital charges collection, ward bed occupancy, and it means the you can also observe how many patients are occupied in our hospital, what are the beds are vacant, so we can allocate the patient bed also, and you can see the various ward wise bed occupancy. Green beds are the vacant beds where we can admit the new patient. Orange beds reflect the patient is just recently discharged and it is under housekeeping department to cleaning procedure. After the red mark click along with the patient detail, the patients are admitted in the hospital, and if we click on the further patient detail, we can get the information of patient UHID, name, contact details, attendant information, and if any relative or someone asked to help desk to input information about the any patient or something like that, so that can be help you to dashboard user or the receptionist user or the help desk user to provide necessary information of the hospital. Parallelly, this module also help the owner how many collections in the different payment mode wise, like cash collection, UPI collection, bank check, account transfer collection, debit credit card wise payment receipt, insurance payment settlement information, along with the various kind of the total collection. If you click the total collection, you can also observe the departmental wise billing revenue and the total collection and payment wise bifurcation can be also seen here. Similarly, this system also show outstanding patient list, IPD, admission patient list, and record of the patient like that. If you click, so see this kind of the patient data can be shown in the patient reminder notification also. Even if you want to see the graphical presentation of the revenue information or something like that, so you can apply any date respective filter and get the data in all graphical presentation of the hospital running status of all department, patient wise, revenue wise, and department wise collections can be accessible in this dashboard data. So basically this module help the administrator, receptionist, and the help desk user to check hospitals running status and information of all departments, so the user can justify or give the patient information or administrator what's are going in their hospitals of the current scenario. So these are information will guide you the departmental based access, and these all icons are the realistic clickable icon, and you get the certain information about the report we are getting in the software. Okay, so for example, if we click authorization task, so we can able to see how much requests are received from the all department, request from laboratory, nursing desk, pharmacy, or any other information for inventory request or the purchase order request, whether the purchase order information can be also access the authorized user, what are the order item to be purchased from the vendor like that. So these are information can be approved, or if we have already information passed on, we can reject, like the administrator can decide what to do on this respective task. So this kind of the graphical report also show the running status of hospital, like payment wise collection, patient data wise collection, and if you click on respective bar icon, the system show the respective data of the respective department wide patient revenue status like that. here are the this the you can see. So these are key information of the dashboard module can be usable and observe your hospital status. So thank you guys for this watching current video, and next video we will show you the another modules respective workflow and key benefits. And if any comment or input you want to provide in this video,